Dear students, in the previous class, we have done the half lesson from section 2, A Story of Courage. So today we will continue with the same lesson. Children, in the previous class, let's have a recap of the previous class. We have seen that Harjit Singh came from where? From Amritsar with his father, and they came to where? Paris. So he was sitting on the bench by the crucial, and he was waiting at the airport for his suitcase to arrive. So he was very upset because he did not want to come to Paris, as he didn't want to leave India because he was born and brought up there. So he don't want to leave his friend, his school and his relatives, but they had to leave India and make a new start and came to Paris because his father has got a job offer. So we have seen that everybody at the airport was crowded nearby Harjit Singh, and one small boy who must have been 10 years old, at the same age of Harjit, was staring at his turban, which made Harjit upset and made him feel self-conscious. And we have also seen that Harjit angrily stepped up to the crucial, and same just like his bag, he saw a bag that looked similar. He thought that it was his bag and he snatched the bag in a hurry, even though he was entirely not sure it was his or not. So children, this was a brief recap of the previous class. Now let's start the story. All he knew was that he wanted to get out of the airport and away from inquisitive eyes. So here, what do you mean by inquisitive? Means curious eyes. So he snatched the bag, which looks similar to his bag, because he was curious. He wanted to get out from the airport. So as they dropped to their new apartment, Harjit glared out of the car window and take note of how different everything looked compared to back home. So here he looked from the car window and he saw that it was different from his place. It was cleaner. There were clusters of very big, beautiful big buildings, and they were with gold painted. And he also saw a statue on top. And the sky was very grey and the ground was wet with rain. He saw lots of people sitting outside of shop drinking coffee and talking. So it was different from his hometown. It was neat and clean, and he could see a big buildings there, and the buildings were well painted with golden colors, and he also even see the statue on the top. And he saw the lot of people sitting outside the shop, and they were drinking coffee and talking with each other. They were spending time. So the sky was very grey and the ground was wet with rain. When the car stopped at a set of traffic light, Harjit rolled down the window so that he could listen. They talked very strange. He thought to himself, but he knew that this was all a part of his experience. So there, at the traffic way, in the traffic light stopped, Harjit car stopped. So Harjit looked out of the window, peeped out of the window, and he could see people. They were talking, and they were talking in different language. They were talking in a very strange language. So he could not understand what they are talking, and he knew that this was all a set of part of experience. You will benefit from this experience. So what at the time his father said, Harjit, he said to his son, Harjit, you know, they talk very strange. When he said, he thought to himself, at the time his father told to him, this is all part of experience and you will benefit from this experience. His father gave him courage and said that no need to feel afraid, no need to feel strange with the people or with the place. You will get experience, and with that experience it will benefit for you. So many of your friends would die for the chance to travel to Europe. You should not be scared. It is an adventure. So what his father said, that you don't want to come here, but think of your friends who are dying to get the chance to travel to Europe. They are all eager to come to Europe, and you are lucky enough that you got that chance. So you should not be scared, his father told. You should not be scared, it is an adventure. As the car rolled on, Harjit realized that there was a strange sort of silence on the road. The cars are not beeping their horns at each other in Paris, he thought. There are a lot of cars, but they are all driving in neat lines, all in separate lanes. The cars aren't getting stuck at all. They just keep moving. It is not at all like this in India. So, as the car rolled on, Harjit saw that it was very strange different from India. There was sort of silence on the road. But in India, what happened? When there is a traffic jam, there will be lots of sound, car sound, horning sound, peep, 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 like that sound and all is coming. But in Paris, it's silent, and all the cars are in order, and there are lots of cars, but they are driving in neat lines, not like in India. What will happen? All in India, everybody are in hurry. They don't want to stay in a line. Everybody want to get away fast. Then they are breaking the traffic, and they want to get first. But here in Paris, it is different. It is very silent, and all the cars, they are all driving in neat lines and all in separate lanes. The cars are also not getting stuck at all. They just keep moving. So it is very different from India. He could see the difference in Paris from India. They continue to drive through the city, and soon they pass a strange, imposing metal building where groups of people were standing and taking photographs. Here imposing means very impressive. So as they pass on, he continued to see that there was a strange, imposing means a strange, impressive metal building. So in that metal building, down the metal building, there are groups of people. They were standing there and they were taking photographs. So he thought, I wonder what that is. Harjit asked nobody in particular. Maybe it is something like the Golden Temple or Taj Mahal, where people from all around the world come to take pictures. So Harjit thought, he didn't ask to his father, even to the driver. He thought to himself, what is that? It looked very strange. Maybe it is like a Golden Temple or Taj Mahal in India, no? 7 wonders of the world is Taj Mahal. So like that, he thought that the very famous thing, and Golden Temple that is in Amritsar, it is in his own place in Amritsar. So he thought it is like maybe like Golden Temple or Taj Mahal, where people from all around the world, they come to visit and they take pictures. So he thought this metal building, this imposing metal building is similar to that Golden Temple or Taj Mahal. Suddenly the car stopped as a man on a bicycle crossed the road in front of them. The man waved to say thank you, and the young boy had to laugh to himself. This is a very strange country, he thought, where cars stop for people to cross the road. So suddenly what happened? A man was riding a bicycle crossed the road in front of their car. But what happened? If it was in India, the car will hit the man. It will not wait for the bicycle man. But in Paris, it is different. The car driver wait and let the bicycle man pass away. So the bicycle man waved to say thank you, and Harjit, he fell laughing. He said, it is very strange country. He said, even the cars used to stop for these people to cross the road. But in India, it is very different. The car people, they will never stop for the bicycle or walking. Those who are walking in the pedestrian, they will never stop. They will never stop their car for them. But here it is very strange, he said. So children, today we will stop up to here. We will continue in the next class. I hope you are clear enough up to here. Please go through the lesson and read the word meaning. So if you have any problem regarding the explanation, you can get back to me as per the schedule mentioned. Thank you.